Hi, this is Don from the Arcee AI team. I am a financial analyst and today I'm going to show you how to create custom investment analysis document like this one. In order to do that, we're going to use a workflow. This workflow starts with an input ticker that the user will type, and after that we're going to use code nodes to process and retrieve information. Now, let's review the Finance News node. First, we download the Yahoo Finance API. After that, using the quiet flag, we can avoid the pollution of the output of the node. We then use Yahoo Finance to retrieve the recent articles about the company we want. Then, we download the web pages. After that, we use Beautiful Soup to transform the HTML content to plain text. And finally, once this is done, we use a Python dictionary with article link, article content, and plain text to review and output to the model node. Now, for the finance metric part, using the same tip, -q here, we're going to import some types of finance information, such as the sector, industry, and analyst recommendations. Once this is imported, we're simply gonna print our information we need, and this information will be processed by the model node afterwards. Okay, let's review the model node. So here we ask, based on the financial metrics and news article below, write a report explaining if the company blah 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 looks like a good investment or not. And you must use HTML formatting. So a very important trick here is here. Code Yahoo Finance Metrics .data.std out. So this precise here text allows you to only retrieve what comes out of these code nodes without all the noise and all the extra information that we don't need and that would pollute the model analysis. So this right here is very essential. And after that, we're just giving the news variable for the news articles and a few instructions on how to structure the answer of the model. After that, we're just gonna ask the integration node to send us an email of the analysis that was just created. Using the send email integration node, we're just gonna send an email to ourselves and see how it comes out. Now that we're in the chat, don't forget to tick the tool here that you want to use, and let's get going. Give me an investment analysis of let's do JPM. Okay, we can see that the model gave us the answer. JP Morgan Chase investment analysis. So, starting with a small company overview, it's then followed by a financial analysis here. Current price, mean target price, and highest price target. So here we can see the upside potential and the best upside potential. What's the difference between those two? The upside potential is the mean between the targets of different analysts, and the best upside potential would be the highest target from an analyst. So this is the difference between those two lines. After that, we have a few paragraphs explaining us the context of JP Morgan, and here we have a summary of the news regarding the company. So Telefonica hires JP Morgan for sale of Mexican operation. JP Morgan is a top bank dividend stock, and analysts such as Zagblog discuss JP Morgan's strong performance. After that are the links of the news article, and we can see here that we did receive an email with all the links, the news, and the information we wanted. It's done from RCII. Thank you.